Hey, what's going on? Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram. Let's not forget our friends and loved ones at YouTube. How are you guys doing today on this beautiful Sunday? Grand rising to all my beautiful and handsome kings and queens out there going through this shift, change, and transfer the wealth, and you're getting your little piece of it. Well, I've been getting asked a lot about the AI crypto trading bot that's running automatically. Like always, I know there's skeptics. I understand that, and I hope they are, because you know, what I mean, like I said, there's a lot of people out there that are trying to scam you and take your money. You know, the way they're making money is by taking your money and putting it into their pocket. This is how I came across this trading bot. One of the things that I learned was one of the things is don't send your money to nobody. Okay, first and foremost, do not send your money to nobody. Okay, last year we got hit. We got we got scammed pretty much. You know, we had I'm sure if you heard of the company, a company's called Crypto 300. It paid out at first, but once you start recruiting people and stuff like that, it stopped paying for you. So it is a pyramid scheme. Well, I got taken for about 10 racks, $10,000. You know what I mean? I was brought to this platform through a fellow cryptopreneur in this group, very knowledgeable. You know what I mean? And I wasn't aware of it. I wasn't notified. I wasn't warned about it. But when I saw the first payout, when I put 2,000, I was like, well, fuck it. This is for real. So I put another thousand and thousand and thousands and thousands in until I realized that it was just a Ponzi scheme. Okay. Well, I figured out there is a way of what's called high frequency trading, what could be used, interpreted as arbitrage. You know what I mean? So there is ways to do that. Okay. For you guys to get a free 14-day trial, I just put up the link on the comments. But I'm gonna show you what this bot does and how this bot is performing, and the bots that I run. Like I said, I'm barely on my second week, so I'm gonna show you guys this. Okay. So let's go into that. Okay. So let's go into the chart. Okay. So when the market goes low, it buys. Simple. Buy low, sell high. You know, buy low, sell high. 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 Sell, buy. You know what I mean? So the bot is smart enough to know what it's doing. Okay? Um, Let me show you guys the bot that I did last time. Where are they? Spot history. Okay, hold on. Okay, well, I got to come back to the history right in a little bit, but as you could tell, this bot has been running for 2 days, 14 hours, and has placed 80 trades by itself automatically. Okay, it's giving me, so the bot has made already 5.21%. The balance in the wallet started with is 4.65. Okay, so let me show you guys the numbers. Okay, so look at this. Here's what we started with: initial funds. I said this is a live account. This is a live account, so you can see the changes. Okay, you can see the changes. And like I said, this is just a trial. Like I said, $350, $300. Like I said, hell, if I lose it, it's lost. If it makes me money, well, it's great. Now that I know how it's working, I'm gonna add another couple hundred, maybe a couple $1,000 on this bot and let it run. Okay. So as you could tell, where we started at initial funds, this bot's already made $29.79. Okay, You see, there's still, you see, we still have some fees and some profits on some buys that we're waiting to sell. Okay, you see, like I said, this started with $300 or $289 account, 290. Okay, so if we have $1,000, you multiply that times 3.5, and you have what $1,000 would give you. So instead of having $15, you would have had like $60 already made in 2 days on automatic pilot. Some people have a lot more. I wanted to try it out before I threw more of my crypto in it. So you see, that's what it does. So let me see. Okay, let's see. Hold on. Let me go into. Okay, well I gotta check this out because there's some bot that there's two bots that I put up and I did some videos on of the BTC USDT. That one I ran it I think for a week. It made me like $10. Let me see if I have the let me see, it's change 332 from 290, so that's a pretty good change. Where are we? Let's see. Open. Okay, we started on the 28th. Okay, this one was on the 20th. BTC USD. That one made us like $10. That one I actually did a mistake, and in the video I explained what was that mistake I did, so you guys won't do that. One of the things that I was taught when I was very young from a rich person was a wise person learns from his mistakes. A wiser person learns from other people's mistakes and better position himself. Okay? So that's all I'm doing here. I'm better positioning myself so I don't do the same mistakes I did before. Hey, peace, brother, peace. Christopher, Mr. Boyd, Mr. Back Row, man, NFT guys, stuff like that, you need to hit up my boy. You know what I mean? But those were some things that I had to learn. You know what I mean? So this bot, one of the things I like about this bot is you don't send your money to nobody. To nobody. You keep it in your exchange wallet. Okay? That's the thing. Okay? So what this bot is doing, so let me show you. Hold on. Okay, so here's what the bot does. Okay? It's called grid trading. Because it's so smart, it already has a grid of where to put your sales. So as these things get triggered, it's boom, boom. That's why it's called high frequency trading. Artificial intelligence. Like I said, there's things out there that are a lot smarter than I am. I'm not trying to reinvent the wheel. I just want to make sure that the bicycle has a chair because I'm tired of sitting in the pole. You know what I mean? So that's what this bot is doing. So hopefully that analogy helped you guys. But what this bot is doing, and like I said, look at all the pairs. You have 1 USD. Look at these are actual returns of people running this bot. This backtest. These are people actually running this bot. Okay. So what you would be able to do, is boom. Hold on. Okay, let's do so. So like I said, that's the next pair that I'm gonna trade by the end of the day. So what I'm doing, I'm setting up my grid. Okay, where the price range is gonna act. Okay. Okay, I want my trailing stop, automatically trailing stop and trailing up. So to run this bot at these parameters, I need to have $2,000 in the bot for it to run properly. Okay, what I did the mistake was, you see, this is what the bot made me. 3.5%, $10. You know what I mean? Like I said, I ran it for 8 days. This USDT is running better. Almost twice as much at a third of the time. Like I said, you need to understand the direction of your coins in the direction that you're going. You know what I mean? Like I said, there's a lot of things to do, but in cryptocurrency, there is ways to make money without sending your money out to no one. Like I said, learn from my mistake. Don't get duped. Okay? But I'm going to put the videos of those mistakes that I did so you guys can know and see how to do it. If you guys need any help, if you guys don't know what exchange to use, hit me up. I'll take care of you, man. Like I said, we're all in this together. Let's have a paradigm shift and walk into this wealth transformation, liquidation together and make it happen. So peace, love, and abundance be with y'all. Let it be known.